To evaluate this equation, you must get theta, the first quarter name theta, the second quarter 180 minus theta, the third quarter 180 plus theta, the fourth quarter 360 minus theta. In the first, all function is positive. In the second, sine is positive. In the third, tan is positive. In the fourth, cosine is positive. Now you must get theta. Theta equal sine inverse, and write here positive half, not write negative half. Use calculator, shift sine half equal 30. Now we see sine is negative, sine negative in third quarter and fourth quarter. In the third, x equal 100 plus theta, 100 plus 30 equal 210. In fourth, x equal 360 minus theta, 360 minus 30 equal 330.